What's up YouTube, this is Truth the Barber Artist, and in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how to remove those fine lines on a skin fade. So keep in mind that whatever clipper you use, the blades need to be adjusted low enough to be able to remove the fine lines that you make with your trimmer. If you don't have that, then you can do this trick that I'm about to show you. So right here is what happens when you don't have a blade that cuts low enough to fade away that line. Most likely this happened because you used the trimmer to make your guideline when you started your fade. So that's exactly what you have to use to remove the line. All you're going to do is you're going to try and blend it out, starting with the corners of the trimmer, and you're going to be flicking upwards. And as you continue, you're going to be switching it back and forth. You can place the entire blade and flick it up and out, and also turn it sideways using your corner. Remember, they have to be quick flicks, because if you take too long to flick out the trimmer, you're going to create another line. Once you're done removing the hard line with your trimmer, now you can come back with your clipper and just smooth everything out. If you want to open your blade slightly to be able to blend a little higher, you can do that as well. As a finishing touch for all you perfectionists out there who really take pride in your work, if you still see a fine line, which you shouldn't, but if you do, you can always use your shaver to go and blend whatever line is left behind. So what you're going to do is you're going to go downward on the fine lines. Instead of going upwards and creating a new line, you're going to be going down on top of the line and swiping downward. Once you're done doing this, you can come back if you choose and just go over everything one more time with your clipper and perfect it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.